So, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss one more organic problem, and this type of problem can be asked in various exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, and other state level examination. Okay. So, in this reaction, what is mentioned here? First, you will see very carefully, by which you can very easily draw the mechanism of these reactions. Okay, so first of all, if you see, this is two starting material is given here. This is the sodamide. In first condition, sodamide is liquid ammonia iodide, by which its product A will be formed here, and after that by adding OS minus and heat, and second condition is given here, hydronium ion is added, which is the source of S plus. Okay, and so if you see the what is the function of sodamide here. So sodamide is a very strong base. First of all, very strong base. Second, since it is very strong base, so it abstract proton very easily. It abstract proton very easy way, very easily. Okay, because it abstract proton, it further form ammonia, which is in liquid form, so it will collect in further in this way. Okay, so it is the function of sodamide. Okay, so first of all, we will design the mechanism. Okay, so if you see here, there are two sides. One is this one and other is this one, means two sides having protons. So where sodamide will be abstract proton from that side. Okay, so it is the a very important question here. So if you see, you also read that more stabilized proton means more acidic proton will be abstracted by sodamide. So here if you see, this bromine and this ether means esters, sorry, this one is OET. Okay, so if you see this one, sorry, COET, and this one. Okay, so if you see, this is ester here. Okay, so two groups is here which stabilize this proton. So amide will abstract more easy. This is acidic proton, that's why it abstract proton from this side is very easily. Okay, so you understand why this will be abstracted, why the in this side it will not abstract. Okay, so first of all, if you see, so what is the mechanism? If you see, so this minus charge means inulate will be formed here. This will attack on soft center, means carbonyl. Okay, and this bond will be shift here. Understand? So again, what happen here, this proton will be like that. This CS2 is, this one is CS2 here, this bromine is here, and this CO it is here. Okay, so it is your mechanism. Okay, so after that, what happened, this charge will be where it will be shaped, either it will attack this side or this side. Okay, so where it will attack means it is the condition. So if you see the condition, that it will form epoxide. If epoxide is formed, three membered epoxide more easily form. Three membered epoxide form more easily and stably. Okay, and in this, so it will attack on this group, on this carbon, sorry. So bromine is here leaving group, and if you see, nearest three membered where it is formed here, the leaving group is present, means better leaving group present. Okay, so that's why it will attack here, and three membered epoxide ring will be formed. Okay, So it is your A product. Okay, after that what happened here, if you see, so we will write down here, your product will be this one. Okay, so again what happened here, so we will shift here. Okay, so you can see when OH minus in the presence of heat is given, means alkaline condition is given. Why alkaline condition is given? And condition is given means when alkaline condition is given here, ester will be hydrolyzed here, and first of all, and because here three membered epoxide ring, so it will stabilize, means alkaline medium stabilize the epoxide ring, there will be no effect. If acidic condition is given here, then it will be unstabilized. That's why basic alkaline medium is given here. Okay, so what happened here, this will remain as it is, there will no effect, and this will COO minus will be formed here. Okay, so if you see, so why here minus charge will be generated, because medium is very alkaline medium. Understand? So after that what happened here, this S3O is given, which is a source of H plus in the reaction medium. So if you see, so it will unaffected here, this is the other. So when hydrogen will be released out from this one, it abstract, minus charge will be abstract proton, means it will be neutralized, OS will be formed here, and the other side is also, because lone pair is here, it will abstract proton. Okay, so positive charge will be shifted here. Okay, so after that what happened here, sorry, what happened here, since if you see here in the B, in this condition what CO2 will be released out, means here CO2 will be released out. So which method it will be released out, first is the question. So this bond will be shift here. Okay, and there is two condition here, one is either it will be breakdown or it will be breakdown. Understand? So what happened here, if it will break down, this will, if this one is, if it will break down here, so it form tertiary carbon. Okay, which is stabilized mode. Okay, so what happened, if there are two sides, one is this one and this one. Okay, so which bond will be break down here. So if you see, if it will break down, it will be break, it forms secondary carbon. Okay, which is less stable as compared to tertiary, means if it breaks, then it creates tertiary carbon. Okay, so if you see, so we will break this bond. Okay, so this bond will be shifted here. Okay, and this bond will be break down. So if you see, what will be, so in this minus CO2 will be released out. Okay, in the reaction medium. See, it is in form of gaseous, means CO2 is gas, so it will be liberate in the reaction medium. So what happened here, this double bond will be formed, and this new OH will be formed here, and the remaining valence is fulfilled by hydrogen. So if you see that this is the enol form, and it will be, and its keto form will be this one, means aldehyde, means this one. Okay, so it is your B product. So it is very good question, very easy question. If you see, but concept is very complicated, you cannot say complicated, but if if you understand this, then it is very easy problem. Okay, so thank you friends, and please subscribe my channel if you like this video, and if you have any queries, please call me on 9512916925. We will solve your queries those you have. Okay, so thank you friend.